If you want to customize quick settings or the control center on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to go to the quick settings panel. Now over here, tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, and then first we can, for example, change the order of these panels. In order to do so, we need to press and hold and then drag it to any place that you wish these options to be, so we can adjust these panels pretty easily. You can also press this edit button here in order to edit this panel that can be extended to find more buttons. Over here at the bottom we have available buttons, so you can simply tap on any of these options to add them to the list. You can also press and hold and move buttons around as well, just like you can do with the previous panels as well. Then we can press done in the top right corner if you made some changes, by the way, in this panel here. But besides that, we also have the panel settings on the left side, where we can revert to we can go back to the old style of notification tray that you had, for example, on some previous Samsung devices. And that's pretty much it. If you want to reset this panel here, then you can find the reset button in the top left corner, by the way. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!